Philippine Cyclo Tourism. Love the adventure, love Catanduanes, discover more to love.
Hey fam, it's Pam. Welcome to The Art of Perfecting. I create content about the cycling community, events out there, and anything lifestyle. In this video, we're going on a bike tour around the happy island of Catanduanes. This is called Isla Bicicleta Cyclo Tourism. This trip will be 4 days. Basically, the first and the fourth day will be our arrival and our departure from Catanduanes. And then the remaining 2 days will be exciting because this will be our bike tour. Let's check out why Catanduanes is the happy island of the Philippines. Let's go! Of course, we're gonna get coffee from Dunkin'. There's quite a line. Bebang, Xiao Yao, Mulak. This is where we end up.
Boarding point is process intended with like 5J821 bound for Pura. Once again, 5J821 bound for Pura. Please approach us immediately for the point of this flight. Thank you.
So we transferred from the bus now to the plane.
On board today, we request all passengers to please stow your hand-carry baggage.
This is the happy island of Catanduanes. Oh, finisher!
Thank you.
Wow, good location. So habang namimili ng bike, pwede rin mag-yoga at the same time. Tabi-tabi.
Pusin natin ng mabilis.
Wow! This is Star Bikes in Dirac Town Center. Nakatuwa. Hello! Ayun si Sir Nico. Catanduanes.
Yung fiber niya para maging ganyan kapino. So, yung amaka. So, ginagamitan po tayo.
Hello!
Hello, good afternoon.
The local stimis.
Yes, go. Ano po siya?
Our chef is, by profession, our chef is a doctor. Medical
Wow!
doctor. He's the head of the DOH in Catanduanes.
Ayun!
Okay, take it away, Doc.
Okay, so first, of course, pili tayo ng crabs, yung mataba. Dito kasi sa Catanduanes, actually, may mga different crabs. Pero dito sa Panganiban, iba yung lasa. Iba yung lasa, manamis-namis because of the habitat. Maganda kasi yung ano dito, maganda yung brackish water. Hindi pa
yung makatayo ang bisikleta mag-isa because it's too tired. Anyway, walay. I was talking about moving on, but for me, every time I'm here in Catanduanes, I'm stuck and I'm in love, falling over and over again, no, di ba?
So ano, ride out na ba? Sure na, Let's go? Sure na ba?
Mag-speaks ka ulit, pa.
Happy Island, Catanduanes. Philippine Cyclo Tourism. Love the adventure. Love Catanduanes. Discover more to love.
3, 2, 1. Ride safe, ride smart, enjoy the adventure, embrace the journey, and discover more to love in a happy island.
Sama natin si Sir Burns.
Hi,
Yun.
I'm a day tripper of the Philippine Daily Inquirer.
Wow.
We are doing a day
It's-
trip along the coastal towns of Catanduanes, namely Baras, Virac, Bato, and Taras.
Ayun, exciting to.
Coastal towns
Coastal town.
in the province.
Ayan, we're starting here, Barangay Kapilihan. And nandito na si Kuya Arnold. Harap natin. So we just passed Maribina Falls. Looks like it's not in our itinerary. But I can't wait to see the things that we're gonna see along the way. Fantastic. Bato Church. Oh, that's nice. Ganda ng walkway. Yeah. So natin pwede i-park yung bike. This is the oldest church in Catanduanes and nakakatuwa, 190 years old na pala siya, ang simbahan na bato. It's located near the Bato Bridge. Tama-tama, no? Lahat sila bato. Sarap tumalon. Pwede ba lumangoy? Choo-choo! Poseidon's Point pala tawag dito. Ito yung rock formation na Poseidon.
Insta.
Insta?
Eto, pero ito, this one, hindi itong isa yung ano to, talagang kasama namin na po.
Yung malaki na
Malaki na talaga.
Okay, gets. Oh. Yeah.
Hey everyone, we're at PAGASA station here in Catanduanes. So it's a long climb to get here. Be ready. Don't forget, it gets hot when it's 12 noon. I don't know why we keep climbing at 12 noon. It's like my weakness. So it's called the Weather Radar Station, Buena Vista, Bato, Catanduanes. Let's see what they say about Japanese flag and Filipino flag. There. The project for improvement of the meteorological radar system grants aid from the people of Japan as a token of friendship and Japan in the Republic of the it's nice and cool now here. Let's see the view. Ano naman, sarap ng weather na ngayon. Sana ganito kanina.
Kaya nga.
Last.
Wala na kaming nararamdaman.
Hi everyone, we're at East Coast Beach Resort at Baras, Catanduanes. Ayan. It's actually chill here. They have casitas for rent and it's a sister company of the place that we stayed in, the town proper.
Very city.
watching The Art of Perfecting. Do like and subscribe to follow on this journey to the art of perfecting. See you all soon. Bye!